Hi, I'm Marco Luganini, the manager of Sport Park Bowling, located in Fano. My relationship with the bowling game is a long-lasting one. In fact, my parents managed the Rimini's bowling since when I was a kid. Sport Park never closed one single day in its 25-year story. So, as a worker, but mainly as a bowler, for someone like me, you'd understand that's really difficult to stop and stay away from the bowling board. Hence, speaking with clients, colleagues, and friends that wanted to know when we would be able to play again together, I thought what I was able to do in order to soften this awkward situation that we are living. This is the way in which this idea was born. Maybe a little bit crazy, as me. Hi everybody, here it is a great way to play bowling at your own home. A new product comprising of bowling balls, lane, pins and bouncing box at the end of the lane. All the items are available new or by second hand. You can buy them even one by one. For example, you can play it even without the lane, just finding out a suitable and smooth floor like this one, or even in the garage. Just driving out your car and set all the items inside and start playing. Shortly, the full product or the single items will be available on our website with all the information that you need. Ciao!